Hi students, good morning. Previous class we have discussed integration by parts. By using integration by parts, we have done some problems in exercise 7.6 up to 10 we have done. Yes. Now the question number 11. Integration of x into cos inverse x by root of 1 minus x squared dx. Integration by parts. Tell me the formula integration by parts. Integration of f of x or g into g of x dx equal to f of x integration of g of x dx minus f dash x integration of g of x dx whole dx. Right? This is the formula for by parts. Now in that, which is the u first function, which is the second function? Use ident formula. I means inverse. Inverse is cos inverse x. That is considered as the first function. Remaining is second function. So integration of cos inverse x into x by root of 1 minus x squared dx. This is f of x. Let this is g of x. Because this integration we don't know. This we can find. Which function we can find integration easily. So for what we have known methods, what we know methods, by using those methods we can find easily integration. Okay, such function consider as second function. Which you are unable to find integration, that considered as first function. Okay, so instead of that use ident concept. I means inverse trigonometric function, that is first function. Okay, right. When you forget ident concept, okay, no one forget. Ident is simple. Okay, if you forget that, this is the method which is known integration. Which function having integration, that is considered as second function. Other one first function. That is. So this is integration we can find. This we can't find. So this is first function. This is second. We can find, but what we know method, by using those methods so far, we can't find this. Again, use integration by part of this. Equal to f of x cos inverse x. Integration of g of x by root of 1 minus x squared dx minus integration of d by dx of f of x cos inverse x. Integration of g of x by root of 1 minus x squared dx whole dx. Now cos inverse x, this integration how can find? This is, what is the differentiation of this is? Minus 2x. So multiply by minus 1 by 2 into minus 2x root of 1 minus x squared dx. This is in the form of integration of f dash x by root f of x. F dash x by root f of x formula 2 root f of x. Integration of f dash x by root f of x dx equal to 2 root f of x. This we know minus the derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x squared. This integration multiply by minus 1 by minus 2, numerator and denominator, minus 2x by root of 1 minus x squared dx. So minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x, this comes here. Okay, tell me this integration is 2 root of 1 minus x squared, 2 get cancelled. Minus plus 1 by root of 1 minus x squared minus 1 by 2. This integration 2 root of 1 minus x squared dx. This get cancelled, this get cancelled. Understood? So minus cos inverse x into root of 1 minus x squared plus into minus integration of 1 dx. Integration of 1 dx. So integration of 1 dx is x. Finish. So minus cos inverse x root of 1 minus x squared minus x plus c. This is by using substitution method also we can find that x is equal to cos theta. By that way also you can find it. Next, the question number 12. Integration of x into secant square x dx. Tell me which is the first function in this. First function which we have to take. This x means algebra. Secant square x means trigonometry. I get which comes first. Algebra. I inverse L logarithm A. Algebra T for trigonometry. Yes, algebra comes first. So this is f of x and this is g of x. This is f of x and this is g of x. Use formula f of x, x integration of secant square x dx minus d by dx of x integration of secant square x dx and whole dx. X into secant square x integration tan x minus derivative of x is 1 and integration of secant square x is tan x dx. So x and tan x minus integration of tan x. Integration of tan x log of sec x. Log of sec x. Are you following? Integration of secant square x is tan x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. But integration of tan x is log of sec x. Integration of cot x, log of sin x. Integration of tan x is log of sec x. Sin x by cos x. This differentiation is there. So minus log cos x will get log of sec x. Next, question number 30. Integration of tan inverse x. Integration of tan inverse x dx. There is only one function. In such case, 1 will be considered as second function. So integration of tan inverse x into 1 dx. This is algebra, this is inverse function. This is first function, this is second function. Tan inverse x, integration of 1 dx minus d by dx of tan inverse x, integration of 1 dx and whole dx. Tan inverse x, integration of 1 dx is x minus derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration of 1 dx x dx. X into tan inverse of x, integration of x dx by 1 plus x square. This integration how can find? Denominator derivative is 2x. 2 not there. So multiply by 2. You multiply and denominator. Okay? It is the form of f dash x by f of x. F dash x by f of x integration log f of x. Log f of x. So which is equal to x into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square plus c. Integration of x into log x whole square dx. Tell me which function we consider as first function log x whole square, which is equal to integration of log x whole square x dx. This is f of x and this is g of x. Can we form f of x log x whole square, integration of g of x x dx minus d by dx of log x whole square, integration of x dx whole dx. Log x whole square, integration of x square by minus log x whole square. First, which is in the form of x square. X square differentiation is 2x, 2 log x into d by dx of log x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. Integration of x square by 2 whole dx. This get cancelled, this get cancelled. So x square by 2 log x whole square minus integration of x log x. So log x into x dx. Again, which is the form of u into v. F of x into g of x. This is considered as f and this is g. X square into log x whole square by 2 minus whole f of u into v product rule f of x log x g of x integration of x dx minus d by dx of log x integration of x dx whole dx. X square into log x whole square by 2 minus log x integration of x dx is x square by 2 minus derivative of log x is 1 by x integration of x square by 2 and dx. So x square into log x whole square by 2 minus log x into x square by 2 minus this get cancelled 1 by 2 constant x dx. X square into log x whole square by 2 minus x square into log x by 2. Right? Minus plus 1 by 2 x integration x square by 2 plus x square into log x whole square by 2 minus x square into log x by 2 plus x square by 4 plus c. From this we can take common x square log x by 2 also we can take common from this. Next, the question number 15. Integration x square plus 1 into log x dx. X square plus 1 into log x dx. F of x log x. Integration of log x into x square plus 1 dx. This is f of x and this is g of x. Algebra is. Tell me f of x formula. F of x integration of g of x square plus 1 dx minus whole integration d by dx of f of x log x integration of g of x square plus 1 dx whole dx log x integration of x square x cube by 3 plus integration of 1 minus derivative of log x 1 by x square integration x cube by 3 plus 1 integration x whole dx log x into x cube plus 3x by 3 take LCM minus integration multiply this into this we get x square by 3 plus this into this 1 dx. When you multiply this, x get cancelled 1. Multiply by this, you get x square. Now log x in this x take common x square plus 1 by 3 minus integration of 1 by 3 constant integration of x square x cube by 3 minus the plus minus integration of 1 x plus c. Finish. So log x into x square plus 1 by 3 minus x cube by 9 minus x plus c. Make it correct with 3 x square plus 3. The most difficult type important integration. So far you have discussed bipart rule, and one more type is these are the dependent bipart only. E power x into f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. This type of integral most important in every CE competitive compulsory question for this. Without this question, no question paper, even theory also. They will ask 2 marks, and in competitive for CE 1 mark compulsory. Most important type of integration. Integration of e power x f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Right? Let us do this one. Integration e power x f of x plus f dash x dx. This meaning is this differentiation is here. Okay? Then the answer is e power x into f of x. So let us do now. Multiply here. Integration this into this e power x into f of x dx plus this into this integration of e power x into f dash x dx. Right? Now, this is the product rule. Tell me which function you are taking. Exponential function. Highlight exponential function. But this function integration f of x integration we don't know. But this integration we know. Because this is unknown. In such case, which is the integration we know, that we consider as second function. So this is the first function and this is the second function. Tell me first function formula product rule f of x integration of g of x e power x dx minus 4 integration. Next f of x differentiation is f dash x. First function differentiation d by dx of f of x d by dx of f of x integration of e raised to x dx whole dx plus this is going to be e power x into f dash x dx. F of x e power x integration e power x minus f dash x into e power x integration e power x dx plus integration of e power x into f dash x dx. By seeing this same terms get cancelled. So what is the answer here? E power x into f of x constant c. Integration of e power x f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Okay. For example, integration of e power x into sin x plus cos x dx. See, this is the f of x. This differentiation is here, f dash x. Sin x differentiation is cos x. Tell me the answer is e power x into sin x. E power x into sin x. Plus. Understood? So by using this, question number 60, yeah, this is only 60. E power integration of e power x sin x plus cos x dx equal to e power x into sin x. You by doing this, you write this formula. By using this formula, you will get e power x sin x. You get 2 marks and 1 mark. Understood? 17 question number integration of e power x into e power x by 1 plus x whole square. This is also you are making that form only. Integration of e power x by 1 plus x whole square dx. That form is e power x inside you should write it sum of 2 terms f of x plus f dash x. Okay, this is integration of e power x f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus now e power x okay, So this inside bracket, what is there? This is single term. We are writing sum of two terms, like f of x plus f dash x. The way of writing is integration of e power x. To write this, denominator you can observe 1 plus x square is there. 1 plus x or x square? X. 1 plus x. This you have to make this form. You have to make in numerator. How we can make this form in numerator? Plus 1 and minus 1. Add plus 1 and minus 1. So x plus 1 and minus 1. Up to this split here. So 1 plus x whole square. Integration of e power x. This part write together x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Integration of e power x get cancelled here. 1 by x plus 1 minus plus minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Check it. Which is f of x in this? This is f of x. 1 by x plus 1 differentiation. 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. So 1 by x plus 1 differentiation also minus 1 by x plus 1 square. This is f dash x. Are you following? If you want down here, d by dx of 1 by x plus 1 equal to 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Into x plus 1 differentiation is 1. So f of x into f dash x. Tell me the answer. E power x into f of x. What is f of x is? 1 by x plus 1 plus c. Is very important. Up to 20. Integration e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. These are you had read the form of f of x plus f dash x. Integration of e power x 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x, let it be 1 plus cos x equal formula 2 cos square x by 2 in our family. 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x. 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Integration e power x spreading here 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 plus sin x by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So integration of e power x 1 by 2 take up secant square x by 2. Sin x of angle formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2 get cancelled. So integration of e power x 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 plus tan x by 2. Now find it. Which is f of x? Tan x by 2 is f of x. This differentiation is here. Tan x by 2 differentiation is secant square x by 2 into x by 2 differentiation is 1 by 2. This is f dash x. So integration of e power x, first write this is tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 dx. F of x, this is f dash x. So the answer is e power x into f of x tan x by 2 plus. While writing here, you write formula integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. In theory, you should write this formula. Next, question number 19. Integration of e power x into 1 by x minus 1 by x squared dx. Very easy. Integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x. This is the formula. Right? Is it contained in the formula? E power x 1 by x. Can I write like this? Minus 1 by x square dx. Correct? Plus and minus minus. 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x. So this is f of x and this is f dash x. So tell me the answer is e power x into f of x 1 by x. Next. Question number 20. Integration of x minus 3 e raised to x by x minus 1 whole cube dx. Last many times. E power x into x minus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube dx. So this single fraction you have to make sum of two fractions. So integration of e power x, to make this the denominator form, you have to make it numerator. The denominator you have to make it a numerator. How? Here 3 is there. X minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus, or add minus 1 plus 1 like this also. Are you following? Only if x is there, plus 1 and minus 1. If numerical is there, then this only we can split it, minus 1 and minus 2. So this term, right separate, x minus 1 whole cube into dx. Integration of e power x, this by this, x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole cube minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube dx. Check it, this differentiation is there or not? It is get cancelled here. So integration of e power x 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus